In this video, I'll show you how I create drum patterns that helps music producers create more projects, gives them better ideas, and helps them make music faster. It's a super simple process that I use in most of my music. So today you'll learn how to create a more cohesive and structured drum pattern. Now let's build a basic drum pattern. We'll start with a 4/4 time signature and create a simple pattern using the kick, snare, and hi-hats. Notice how the kick is on beat 1 and 3, while the snare is on beat 2 and 4. The hi-hats are playing a steady rhythm on every 8 note. So now that we have a basic drum pattern, let's add some variations and complexity. We can add additional elements such as toms or percussion to add flavor. We can also add fills and breaks to create a more dynamic contrast. Fills are short rhythmic patterns that connect one section to another, while breaks are longer sections that create a sense of tension and release. Furthermore, let's experiment with building drum patterns in different genres. We can create a drum pattern for trap, a house track, or even a boom bap track. Notice how the drum pattern changes to accommodate the different genre. We can adjust the tempo, time signature, or even drum elements to create unique sound for each genre. Now that you've got the skills to build a drum pattern, it's time to take your beats to the next level. If you're stuck on same sounds, same patterns, I've got the pack that will help you out.